a test of the National Weather Service NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Warning Alarm System in cooperation with the Emergency Alert System. Tests of this alarm system are conducted every Wednesday at 11 a.m. and at 7 p.m. If there is a severe weather threat, the tests are postponed until the next available good weather day. The alarm tone will activate for severe weather and other life-threatening emergency messages for the following 14 transmitters and associated broadcast areas: WXL57 at Des Moines, WXL94 at Bremer County, WXK84 at Fort Dodge, KXI98 at Marshalltown, KXI62 at Montezuma, WXN91 at Rathbun Lake, WNG730 at Ottumwa, KZZ51 at Carroll, KZZ68 at Van Wert, KXI65 at Lenox, WNG666 at Iowa Falls, WNG668 at Denison, WNG688 at Ringsted, KJY63 at Forest City. For a detailed listing of what counties are served by each transmitter, please visit the NOAA Weather Radio section of our website at www.weather.gov/Des Moines. Once again, please visit the NOAA Weather Radio section at our website, www.weather.gov/Des Moines. This concludes our test. We now return to regular programming.